Good Thursday morning. I know this is a little redundant, but we're going to do a test today. Following yesterday's potato success, we're using our 10-inch Vision skillet this morning. Let's get her warmed up. The potatoes have been soaked and partially boiled. All right, we got green pepper, onions. Eggs are cold. Just came out of the fridge, and our ghee. See if we can cook the breakfast potatoes and then the eggs from the 10-inch skillet. Let's stop yapping and let's get cooking. Are they sticking? Oh, they're sticking. You know, they're sticking. God damn it. Thanks for watching. Oh, let's finish it up. Could have been worse. Potatoes success, eggs fail. Thanks for watching. Guess what I'm having for lunch? You betcha. We had this for breakfast. I'm doing this one more time to try and get it right because the eggs stuck. The potatoes didn't stick, but the eggs following the potatoes stuck. You think, are they sticking? Oh, they're not. Oh, they are. They are a little. I might just be able to, this might work. Let's see. I'm gonna try and flip it. Oh, that was a bad flip, but it flipped. Oh! Hey! That was a bad flip, sorry. That's a good one. Oh. I don't know if this stuck. I think I'm gonna be lucky to, oh, hey! Hey! There's a little sticking going on, but not here. Little sticking going on. Hey, we're gonna have success. So we got some sticking, but then we got some sliding. This is done. This guy's done. Out. This guy is done. Out. Very good. That's coming up nice and easy. We have to cut it. We have to cut the egg. Okay. Beautiful yolk. Beautiful yolk. Zeta's happy. Thanks for watching.